One of the things that I'm really enjoying is the 4K 30 video. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mini 2 has been nothing short of amazing. I can't get enough of it. One of the things that I'm really enjoying is the 4K 30 video. So today, we're going to do a comparison between the Mini 2 and the Fimi X8 SE2020 at 4K 30. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip. Question of the day. Which drone do you think had the better 4K 30 video? The Fimi X8 SE2020 or the DJI Mini 2? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.